Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Ganji FX. Thanks for clicking on this video, and today we'll be going over a couple of pairs. But before we get into that, I want you to give this video a huge like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and more content. Always, if you have any other questions, you can always drop them down in my comments, and I will always get back to them. So let's get it started. Today is the 29th of July, and as we left off yesterday, what we expected to happen happened. The euro went and hit our previous daily target, and for everyone who got that, yo, 2 thumbs up from me, because that was a decent trade. I think almost 50 pips, 40 pips. I don't really remember, but it was a clean setup, and I'm glad that it did pay out. So today, let's look for a couple of pairs that I'm interested in. So currently I'm looking at this. Euro USD is kind of stagnated here for the past couple of hours, so I might be looking for something else. So how about we try the Euro CAD? Let's see what's going on over here. And just as again, I'll show you my routine. I'll go into the weekly chart. I only use the line graph. I do not use candles. That's all I use. I only use because it's more cleaner. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. So what's the first thing we're looking for, group? We're always looking for levels of resistance and support. So as you can clearly see, market has been kind of in a downtrend. So most likely we'll continue that way. Or market could be actually now shifting momentum and looking to make newer highs. We don't know. All we do is we don't predict the market. All we do is just react to it and manage our risk. That's always important, managing our risk. So if I'm looking at this chart right now, I can see that there was this high. There was this pullback when the market was going down, and the market just broke it, and it came and retested. The market just came and retested it. So this would be a really good level. This is the level I'll be watching out for. Market could give us a fake out. Market could possibly give us a fake out and go to the bottom, or just 1 minute as I change this out. Or the market could just take off and go back up to this to make new highs and retest that level. We do not know that yet, but currently these are kind of two options that the market will either reach this high over here or go all the way to this bottom right here. I'd first want to put this one because this is always the closest one. When you're in the market, you're dealing with probabilities, so you want to see which is the closest, because the market is always going to take the path of least resistance. So this level right here is closer, and therefore the market is most likely going to reach this level before it reaches this next level, which is common math. So those are my two targets right now on my weekly time frame. Either market will go to the top and retest this high, or come to the bottom and test this resistance. Sorry. So next, what I'll do is I'll want to go into the daily time frame and see what the market is doing over here currently. I'd like to change between sorry. I like to change between the line and the candle sometimes, just to see how the market really is reacting, because I will probably do sometimes check for points of like what do you, like engulfing candles. Those are very important to me, so I usually just check, but most of the time I really do only use the line charts. So we can see that the market has tested this region before. It came and tested this. So most likely the market will be wanting to push lower, or again go higher and even blow past through these highs. But On the daily, we're not really getting too much information on this. So again, we just have to probably go lower and keep going lower until we find just the next move which you can probably profit of. But again, these are our targets. These are our levels we're looking for. Next, I'd like to go to the 4 hour chart. As you see, it's just small progressions. I'll take this off. This was the pointer saying to what level the market we're looking the market to go to. And as you can see, the market keeps testing this area. As you can see, the market came down already. It's touched it, tried to go breakthrough, but it failed, and it's now testing this place again. It's testing the region again. Um, but yeah, if I look at this, I'm clearly seeing a head and shoulders pattern right here. So I see a left shoulder. Market did a pullback, exploded to the top, retraced, and now the market is completing the right shoulder. Uh, if I change into the candles, I will see the same. So I will see that the market has done that too. Changing back to the line graph. So what move am I looking here? I look at the MACD. I kind of see that this was a low right here. That it did establish a low on the MACD and on the price itself too. And we could be probably setting for a divergence move, but again, that's predicting the market, which we don't do. But again, we're just looking for all probabilities that could probably happen. Next, I'd want to go down to the 1 hour chart and see what's happening there. So with the 1 hour chart, again, we have this strong um, downtrend, and I'd be thinking that for chance there would be actually a chance for a pullback before a final major move to the downside. If you're asking me what my thoughts on this, what when I look at it, what I'm thinking might happen is I might think that the market will continue pushing down this way, but before it will make pullback, a pullback before finally making the final move down. But again, you always have to be reviewing your thesis and always managing your risk because it could just shoot down and no one ever really knows. So you just gotta be always managing your risk and taking your trades very wisely. So next I'd want to go down to the 15-minute chart and see what's happening here. I'll just extend this right here. I'll take this off, take that off, take that off. Just staring at the MACD right here, the 15-minute chart. Again, I'm not using this to take a trade. I'm just using it just to kind of get a gauge on on how the market is feeling. What participants are feeling in the market. So overall, what I'd like to see is the market touches because this level right here probably to either make this double bottom right here, this being a 15 minutes low and going back to the top, or from where it currently is at the weekly level of resistance and support, just make a pullback to this previous high, and this could be a good short trade. So uh, from this level, I'd probably want to get in right here and manage my risk. So put it down all the way down there. Check out my 15-minute charts on the right here. So I'd want to give it about at the double bottom. I'd want to enter this trade from here at the bottom. Extend it here to this level right here and give myself a 15 pip. 50. I usually use a range of 15 pips to 20 pips. So I'd give myself a 15 pip right here. Again, that is a lot of risk. So again, it has to change for me because as long as for me it's below this previous point right here, if the market goes against me this way and creates a lower low, then I'll be sure that my thesis, my outlook was wrong, and I move on to the next trade. So currently, I'll be waiting for the market to reach this bottom right here, the level of 1.4782, and push up to around 1.48. And yeah, keep posted, and I'll update you on the next video about how this trade went. And there you go. Peace, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.